Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of butter chicken. Butter chicken has rich red gravy and chicken tandoori in it. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, I have prepared chicken tandoori masala. I have taken quarter cup of hung curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Corriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of Jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and salt as needed. Take 250 grams of chicken breast and apply all the masalas. Marinate the chicken for 1 hour. You can place this in refrigerator while marinating. I have mentioned all the ingredients in the description below. Take a grill pan and add in 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add in the marinated chicken. Grill the chicken nicely so that it cooks well. The chicken pieces are cooked perfectly. I am removing the smaller pieces which I won't be using it for butter chicken. To give smoking flavor to the chicken, I am just heating in the charcoal. Place the hot charcoal in a small bowl like this. Add a little butter and cover with the bowl. Leave it for 5 minutes and you can remove the bowl. I'll shred the boneless chicken into small pieces. For the red gravy, take 2 cups of water in a pan. Add in 2 diced onions and 3 tomatoes. It goes 10 cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves and 2 cardamoms, and a small piece of cinnamon. Give it a mix and cook well. The onions and the tomatoes are cooked well. Now switch off the flame. Cool it completely and grind it into a smooth paste. To the same pan, add in 1 teaspoon of butter and half a teaspoon of sunflower oil. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri Chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Sort it and add in the grinded mixture by passing through the filter. By doing so, we'll get colorful smooth red gravy. Using this red gravy, you can make variety of dishes. Using the same method, you can make paneer butter masala. Give it a mix and cook well. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in salt as needed. The chicken tandoori has salt in it, so add less salt. In goes 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi. Finally, add in the boneless tandoori chicken. Now add in 3 tablespoons of thick fresh cream. Give it a mix and cook it in medium flame. Add in little coriander leaf. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon of butter and switch off the flame. Delicious, rich butter chicken is ready to be served now. Do try this restaurant-style butter chicken and share me the feedback. I served butter chicken with chapati. Butter chicken goes well with naan, kulcha or any other Indian breads. Garnish the butter chicken with some butter and fresh cream. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.